In this video, I am going to talk about a common question that mothers who are breastfeeding often ask me. How many months should I continue to breastfeed my baby? The WHO recommends exclusive breastfeeding for the first 6 months. After the completion of 6 months, the recommendation is to continue breastfeeding along with complementary feeds for up to the age of 2 years. Always remember that there are tremendous benefits associated with breastfeeding which assist your baby's overall growth and development. And you should give your baby the best of this. Therefore, it is important for you to continue to breastfeed up to 2 years without any doubts in your mind. Breastfeeding should be initiated within an hour of birth after a normal delivery and within 4 hours after a C-section delivery. When you breastfeed your baby for the first few days post birth, then your baby receives colostrum, also known as early milk. Colostrum contains a lot of antibodies that protect and immunizes the baby from several diseases and infections. It is also rich in several nutrients that are essential for the growth and development of the baby. Additionally, breastfeeding also helps the mother's body to recover from the stress induced during delivery. When you continue to exclusively breastfeed for 4 to 6 weeks, it further reduces the chances of your baby getting digestive problems and other illness. It has been observed that babies who are not breastfed are more likely to get sick and even hospitalized in this early neonatal period. As you continue to breastfeed for the next 3 to 4 months, it helps your baby's digestive system to mature to a great extent known as gut maturity. This helps the gut to prepare for all the other substances that it will encounter in the coming months when complementary feeding is initiated. Hence, it has been shown by many studies that when you continue exclusive breastfeeding for the first 6 months without supplementing with formula or any other fluids, the chances of your baby staying healthy throughout the first year increases by a great deal. It's a well-known fact that breast milk is highly beneficial for the growth of a baby's brain within the first 2 years. A baby's brain is shown to grow maximal during the first 2 years of life. Breast milk contains some exclusive substances which have shown to aid neuronal connections in the brain and enhance brain development. Therefore, the longer you breastfeed, the smarter your baby becomes. Moving on to the next major benefit, which is building the immune system of the baby. As mentioned earlier, breast milk contains antibodies and immune substances that protects the baby from infections. The longer you breastfeed, the more of these antibodies you pass on to your baby. This will help your baby to stay more protected from illness. An added advantage is the prevention of tooth decay. It has been observed that tooth decay is much lesser in breastfed babies. That is not all. Breastfeeding also benefits the mothers in several ways. Firstly, breastfeeding itself acts as a natural contraceptive for mothers. It is nature's way of giving the mother some rest and time with the baby. Secondly, it consumes a lot of extra calories, which helps the mother getting her body back into shape as she continues to feed. finally, it has shown to reduce the risk of breast cancer in women. All these are some of the benefits associated with breastfeeding for both the baby and the mother. Therefore, mothers should work towards breastfeeding their little ones for as long as possible. To conclude, I would like to reiterate that as per WHO recommendation, mothers should exclusively breastfeed their baby for the first 6 months and should continue for as long as possible, preferably up to the age of 2 years. Exclusive breastfeeding for the first 6 months protects the baby from infections and helps in gut maturity. Breastfeeding after 6 months, along with complementary feeding, helps brain development, develop immunity, and prevents tooth decay. Breastfeeding also benefits the mother in several ways, such as acting as a natural contraceptive, reducing the chances of breast cancer, and getting the mother's body back into shape. Now that you understand all the benefits associated with breastfeeding for a long time period, I would recommend you to stay confident and continue to breastfeed as long as you and your baby wants.